Hello all, welcome back. Next example on Stokes theorem. So using Stokes theorem, evaluate single integration over C 2x minus y dx minus yz square dy minus y square z dz, where C is the circle, x square plus y square equals to 1, comma z is equals to 0. So first of all, Stokes theorem. What is Stokes theorem? Single integral, that is closed integral over C f bar dot dr bar is equals to double integration over surface S del cross f bar dot n cap ds. Now here in the question we have to evaluate single integral over C and also we have to use the Stokes theorem. That means by using Stokes theorem we have to evaluate this, or we are going to evaluate this. So for that, from this equation we will get the f bar is equals to 2x minus y I bar minus this y z square j bar minus y square z k bar. This is value of f bar. Now to find del cross f bar, see, del cross f bar is equals to determinant of I bar, j bar, k bar, dava by dava x, dava by dava y, dava y, dava z, 2x minus y minus yz square minus y square z. This is equals to I bar into bracket multiplication of these two, that means derivative of minus y square z with respect to y, it is minus 2yz, minus sign. Now derivative of minus yz square with respect to z, it is minus sign again, so minus minus plus 2yz. Then minus sign j bar, dava by dava x of this minus y square z, derivative of this minus y square z with respect to x, it is 0, minus derivative of this 2x minus y with respect to z, it is again 0, plus k bar into derivative of this minus yz square with respect to x, it is 0, minus derivative of 2x minus y with respect to y, it is minus 1, so minus minus plus 1, you will get this term, that is equals to, now this first term becomes 0, second term is also 0, so you will get 1 times k bar only. Now you will get the value of del cross f bar as k bar. And what is n cap here? So see, given surface, we have given that C is the circle, x square plus y square equals to 1 and z is equals to 0. So this z is equals to 0, that means our surface is in xy plane, and whenever surface is in xy plane, so value of n cap is equals to k bar and dx into dy is equals to, ds is equals to dx into dy. So value of del cross f bar dot n cap is equals to k bar dot k bar, that is 1. So putting all these values here, so you will get single integration over C f bar dot dr bar is equals to double integration over S del cross f bar dot n cap, this value you will get as a 1 into ds is dx into dy, that is double integration over surface S dx dy. Now double integration over the surface is dx dy, that means the area of given surface. So which surface we have given? We have given x square plus y square is equals to 1, that is a circle. And what is the area of circle? We know that area of circle is pi r square. Value of r here, r is equals to 1, because circle is x square plus y square equals to 1, so r is equals to 1. So putting r is equals to 1, we will get pi into 1 square, that is pi. That is the final answer for this example. Next example, using Stokes theorem, evaluate closed integral over C f bar dot dr bar, where f bar is given as 3y I bar plus 2x j bar, and C is the boundary of the rectangle, 0 less than x less than pi, 0 less than equals to y less than equals to sin x. So first of all, what is Stokes theorem? Stokes theorem is closed integral over C f bar dot dir bar is equals to double integration over s del cross f bar dot n cap ds. Now in this example we have to evaluate using Stokes theorem close integral over c f bar dot dr bar, that is line integral. But by using Stokes theorem we are going to evaluate this RHS. So for that we have to evaluate first del cross f bar dot n cap. So f bar is given as 3y I bar plus 2x j bar, and therefore value of del cross f bar is I bar j bar k bar dabba by dabba x dabba by dabba y dabba by dabba z, then 3y 2x 0. Solving this determinant we will get I bar into derivative of 0 with respect to y, it is 0, minus derivative of 2x with respect to z, it is 0, minus j bar into derivative of 0 with respect to x, it is 0, and derivative of 3y with respect to z, it is 0, plus k bar into derivative of 2x with respect to x, it is 2, minus derivative of 3y with respect to y, it is 3. So you will get here minus k bar. Now what is value of n cap here? So we have given that here C is the boundary of a rectangle. We have given that our curve is a rectangle having x varies from 0 to pi and y varies from 0 to sin x. So here z term z is absent, that means value of z is equals to 0, or that means our surface is in xy plane. And since surface is in xy plane, therefore n cap is equals to k bar and ds is equals to dx into dy. Therefore value of del cross f bar dot n cap is equals to minus k bar dot k bar, that is equals to minus 1. So putting all these values here in this equation number 1, so see what happens. We will get close integral over c f bar dot dr bar, this is equals to double integration over s del cross f bar dot n cap is equals to minus 1 into ds is dx into dy, that is equals to minus times double integration over s dx into dy, that is equals to minus times area. But instead of calculating area, see here we have given the limits, minus times limits of x as given as x varies from 0 to c, x is varies from 0 to pi and y varies from 0 to sin x. So actually you calculate this double integration, x varies from 0 to pi and y varies from 0 to sin x dx or dy dx. Since limits of y are in terms of x, so first we have to evaluate this integration with respect to y. So this is equals to minus times limits of x as it is, integration of dy is y having limit 0 to sin x dx. Now this is equals to minus 0 to pi, upper limit is sin x, lower limit is 0, value of y is sin x, and when we put y is equals to 0 it becomes 0 dx. Minus times integration of sin x, it is minus cos x, so minus minus becomes plus cos x having limit 0 to pi. This is equals to cos pi minus cos 0. Cos pi is minus 1, minus cos 0 is 1, so it is minus of 2. So our final answer is minus of 2, that means integration over c f bar dot dr bar is equals to minus 2. That is our final answer. Thank you.